Alright guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R, and I'm just showing you a few things that I have done and how far I have gotten with redoing my bedroom. I'm not done, but I just thought I would bring you up to the point of where I am on my staycation. Alright guys, well over here is my bed and board wall, and it turned out great. It absolutely turned out great. Look at it. So after doing my bed and board wall, I found this beautiful basket. Now this basket really put my mind in a space whereas I knew where I wanted to go from here. I didn't want to take my whole ceiling fan down, so I just put this on my ceiling fan, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. By that being a wicker, basket from HomeGoods, I knew I needed some more wicker implements in my room. So I made that gorgeous wicker headboard over there. This is absolutely gorgeous. And it's very easy to make. I will be posting a video on that, how I made this wicker headboard. Very easy to make. Okay, so once I got my headboard done, I found this gorgeous rug. At Ross, and it's just making the whole room just pop. So, I'm going today to try to find some different curtains for the umpteenth time. And I'm telling you guys, this room I sleep better and everything. Now, one of the things I did not show you is my little plant I have over here in the corner. I got this plant from BURLINGTon's for $39.99. Now guys, I have my plants over here. And I got this plant from Burlington for $39.99, and I think that is a great deal because a lot of the plants and trees that I have seen is from like $129 and up. So this plant, I just have it on a plant stand, and it is the height that I like. So now I just gotta go find some curtains because I'm not gonna sell, and my room is coming along great. So guys, that's how far I have gotten so far on my staycation. There's things that I have put in here and taken out because I want to feel things that I put in my room. I had different wall decorations and things like that, but I really wasn't feeling it, so I took it out. I'm going today to try to find some different curtains for the umpteenth time. And I'm telling you guys, this room I sleep better and everything. So guys, be yourself, decorate to your taste, not everyone else's. And take your time, okay? Take your time. So guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Be looking out for the final reveal of this bedroom when I'm done. And I will talk to you later. Bye.